like working on engines. Before I joined the military, I was a car mechanic, so yeah, I like turning wrenches. Every mission is important.
I love being a mechanic. At first, we make the planes fly. Like, I know everyone contributes to it, but without an engine, it wouldn't fly. So it's very important for us. And as soon as you are done working on the thing, you'll see the result of it. And it makes us happy knowing that we can make a plane fly, we can do the mission, and we can achieve whatever we have to do for this deployment.
Especially right now, doing these exercises, it's very important for us to keep the birds up so we can get the job done.